How I made this super awesome transforming skirt that can be worn in 3 ways. I was first inspired to recreate the vest hidden from New Jeans wears in the How Sweet music video, but I ended up making something even cooler, and I'm so excited to share with you how I made it. First, make sure to get a skirt that opens in the front. It can be buttoned down or have a zipper. The skirt should also be big enough to close around your chest, so you can also wear it as a top. Next, I shortened the skirt, and with the leftover fabric, I realized that it could be used to create the straps, which is amazing because now I don't have to buy cotton webbing for straps. But if you need to because your skirt's not long enough to do this, that's completely fine. I went ahead and hemmed the bottom of the skirt first and just clipped it in place to make it faster to feed under the machine. Back to the straps, I stabilized them with some lightweight interfacing to give them some structure. After interfacing, I fold the straps in half and sewed the open side closed. The width of my straps were about 4 inches wide, so when folded in half and sewn, they end up being 1.5 inches wide. I used my loop turner to turn the straps inside out. Then press the straps nice and flat with an iron. I ended up attaching the straps together to create one long straps instead, because this was the moment I realized I could still keep the skirt as is and have it be wearable if I didn't actually sew down the straps to create the vest. Instead, I'm going to make the long strap adjustable in size and sew on belt loops around the waist of the skirt for the strap to hold on to. I used the leftover buttonhole placket part from when I trimmed the skirt in the beginning and cut them in half to create the belt loops. Soon after, I realized I can repurpose the button and buttonhole and add them to the ends of the strap so that it can attach to the front of the skirt. As for the rest of the belt loops, I cut more of them from the long strap I sewed and then sewed all of them down around the waist. Here's how I did the end of the strap attachments. On one end of the strap, I added an adjustable slider so that the vest can be adjusted and worn at different lengths. This will also allow me to tighten it and wear it as a belt when wearing the skirt. After I add the adjustable slider, I sewed the buttonhole piece to another rectangle ring, and that is how it will attach to the rest of the strap. Then I just finished up sewing the adjustable slider. For the other end of the strap, I sewed the leftover button on, which will connect to the top buttonhole of the skirt. And just like that, I'm done. Here's how to set it up to be worn as a vest. I placed 2 belt loops at the center back, which is where the strap will go through. And then I just bring the straps to the front and attach the ends of it to the front of the skirt. And here's what it looks like as a vest. If you want to wear it as a skirt, you just simply take off the straps in the front, use the adjustable slider to make the belt shorter to fit around your waist, and then you can buckle the ends of the belt together to secure it. And to wear it as a top, you would just loop the straps through the front belt loops and secure it in the front, and adjust the straps as needed to fit you. I love multifunctional garments, and if you do too, try this out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!